everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lindsay, and as you guys can see by the title, today's video is of course another wig review. So as y'all can see, I have this really cute curly wig going on, okay, and I definitely got this wig off of Amazon from a store by the name of Suku. So make sure you guys check the description box below for all of the details. But they reached out to me and asked me to review this wig. So this is a human hair wig, and it was originally a lace front wig. So if you're not familiar with my wig reviews, I will show you guys the construction of this wig. Then I'll give you guys some details about this wig, and I will let you guys know how I feel about the wig. So let's go ahead and jump into the video. So as you guys kind of sort of saw from the clip beforehand, this wig has 4 combs. It has 3 in the front and it has 1 in the back. It also has an adjustable strap, and of course, once again, this is a lace front wig. It has a lace in the front, and it also had a little lace in the back. So I said in videos before that sometimes I can lay my wig down really good. Other times I have a problem. With this one, I definitely had a problem. So I was in the process of filming me installing this wig, but it wasn't working out. So unfortunately, I do not have the installing clip of this wig because I did go back in and kind of do certain things, which I will get into details a little bit later. But yeah, let's go ahead and jump into some more details about this wig. So once again, this wig is from Suku store on Amazon. This is their 13x4 HD lace front wig. This one is in 22 inches and it retails for $168.99. So it is up there in price, but still under $200, and I'm gonna get into it, but this hair is definitely worth the $168. So again, as you guys can see, the texture is curly. The length is about 22 inches. It is 100% Remy human hair. The color is like a natural black. It can be dyed, straightened, bleached, curled, restyled, and permed as your own hair. The density is 150%. They do have other lengths as well that comes in between 16 and 30 inches. It has a natural hairline. The cap size is a medium with, again, adjustable straps. So it's about 21.5 to 22.5 inches. It is pre-plucked. The knots are slightly bleached. Again, it's a 13x4. And I think that is pretty much it. I don't think I left anything out, but if I did, just go ahead and check the link down below. So as I stated earlier, I was in the process of filming me installing it, but I had messed up when I cut the lace, so I took it off and just ended up cutting the lace kind of straight and just, you know, applied it like this. So as y'all can see, I have powder right here. It's HG. I did use some of my wig extension lace tint spray. This is in the color golden. So I had used that and sprayed the lace beforehand. But yeah, the lace is HD, as y'all can see. It's not really a big deal because lace, you know, you're gonna see the lace. That's just what it is. It's a lace front wig. It's, you know, you're gonna see the lace. But it's not too bad. Now, I didn't cut any baby hairs. I just swooped some hair and made this section right here. It's not really staying down right here, which is fine. I'm not gonna have this wig on long anyways. But yeah, so this is how it's looking. I did a side part. I was gonna do a middle part, but I said no. So I did a little side part. So this is how I styled the hair. I just added some water and then I added my mousse. I don't remember the name. I think it's Cream of Nature or something like that. So I added water and my mousse today. So this is how the wig is looking. The hair is beautiful. It's nice and soft. There was some shedding a little bit, of course, because first of all, it is curly hair. And then once you cut the lace, and if you cut a little bit, you know, close to the hairline, some hair is going to shed. But it's not a whole bunch. It's not a whole bunch. But yeah, this hair is beautiful. I definitely think it is worth $168. I actually want another wig from Suku in a longer length. So I'm gonna get that in a couple of months. Haven't decided when exactly, but so far I like this hair. Like, first impression, I like this hair. It curls really nice with the water and the mousse. It is just so beautiful. So beautiful. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys all around. So this is how it looks in the front, side, back, other side. So yes, I definitely like, ooh, yes ma'am. I was gonna take her off tomorrow, which is Thursday, but I don't know. I might have to leave her on for, you know, over the weekend or something. I don't know, we will see. But oh my gosh, she is so pretty. I love her. Yes, ma'am. And my makeup is so cute today. So I want to thank Suku for reaching out to me and asking me to review this wig. I really do appreciate it. I love it so much. And I hope to continue to work with them again in the future. You guys let me know down below what you think about this wig as far as the length, the texture, how it looks on me. Would you get this wig for $168 in this length? Remember, 22 inches and 100. Remember, it is $168 for a 22 inch. So the higher in length you go, the more it will be. But y'all let me know down in the comments how you feel about this wig, okay? Because I really love it. So don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, and of course share this video with your family and friends. If you're a new subscriber, welcome. And if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and click on that subscribe button, as well as post notification bell so you will not miss a new upload from yours truly. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in my next one.